So today it's day 2 and we're having a leg day. I'm not really sure what exactly we're gonna be doing, but they said that we must wear, chill flops, have sunscreen, and basically summary and swimwear underneath. So yeah, we're gonna start with breakfast, and then I'll only start vlogging when we're on our way there. I'm not gonna vlog now. I'm starving. My gosh, I'm starving, and it was raining, but it's okay now. Starting to get dry again. I still am getting used to me with these glasses. I'm still getting used to me with these glasses, but yeah.
So before everyone go to the viewpoint to take a picture with the beautiful scenery there, I will give you a little bit information about this area. So everyone, the dam here we are called Shiolan Dam, and also the Shiolan Dam have another name is Ratchaprapha. The Ratchaprapha, this is mean the light of the kingdom, and this is named by our own king. And also the dam here was built on the Prasang River between 1982 and was finished at 1987. Before build the dam and collect the water to be the big lake over there. At that area, it's been the big national park and have the village live over there. But when start to build the dam, the local people they were moved settled outside by the government to live on the higher land. Because in 1984, the last area flooding under the water, and so we have to build a dam here to help the local people, because about 38 years ago when the monsoon season and have the heavy rain, the water will get high tide and will flood damage to the village and also damage to the local plantation every year. And everyone saw the dam here. This is a bigger dam in the south of Thailand. The dam have about 95 meters high with 761 meters long. And everyone saw for the lake here we are also called Shiolan Lake. And everyone for the Shiolan Lake have the area about 165 square kilometers and have the area from the north to the south about 60 kilometers. Everyone saw when start to build the dam, have the people who are working in the wildlife sanctuary, they came to this place and they are rescue some of the wildlife were trapped in the jungle. We can rescue a lot of them, but also we lost some of them as well. But so nowadays we still have many type of the wildlife stay in the Khao Sok National Park, about like such as 200 elephant, pangolin, tapir, leopard, sun bear, Malayan sun bear, many species of the birds such as the hornbill. And everyone saw the water here. This is a fresh water. We are using the water here for mental hydroelectric power for the local people who live around here. Also we sell the electric power for the people for the Myanmar country, and also we sell the fresh water here to Samut Island. So the water in the lake in the monsoon season will be high tide and have about 120 meters deep. But so now this year quite dry. Even we have the rain but not too much rain. The water in the lake still like low tide about 80 to 90 meters. Even for the viewpoint you can walk close to the head over there. You can see behind the restaurant over there. So you can do kayaking in that direction. Even so for the direction over there, you can do about like 300 meters. But everyone, they have many small direction. When everyone do kayaking, please remember.
The sun just disappeared. What happened to the sun? Let's take it back to the beach. To the city. Going canoeing. I cannot take my phone because I don't know. Please check. Anything can happen.
You're facing this way.
Okay.
Well, so you hold the paddle wrong way. You have to spin the paddle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here I go. How far did you go?
Yeah, smaller size is spicier one. Smaller one is more thing in there, pickle fish and pickle crabs in there. Makes stronger taste, stronger smell.